Well, check this out. It's a volcanic hot spring. Look at all the steam coming off this water. Oh, that's warm. It's filling up with hot water pretty quick. Scalding hot right there. This right here must be the source. Whoo! Yeah, that's boiling. This over here is just warm. You can see all the steam coming off the hillside. There's probably other hot springs popping out higher up there. Now there's a hose over there bringing hot water down the hill. We gotta figure out why it's not working. So we got cold water there, boiling hot water there, and warm water flowing in here. And you can kind of use the three to adjust your temperature. Oh man, I want to jump in this right now, but it's getting dark and I'm getting hungry. And I need to give this some time to clean out the pool and get it nice and warm. Woo! That is so awesome. I think the only thing that could be more exciting than that is a hot meal. Oh, I am so hungry.